My special message is... My message for Juan is... ano, tawag dyan? Thank you for not changing your attitude since ever. Kay, you know,
English mo na. Okay guys,
you know what? Johanna is the best friends to ever. Because why? She never changed her attitude. And Johanny is the best.
Johanny, listen.
Is the best person ever. She's the most richest on us. Actually, Johanny is the one of my most best friend, by the way.
It's all firm with your 3 classes.
To be honest, kay even when we were young, kay childhood, what? Ito tama English.
Tagalogin mo na lang with accent. Tagalogin mo na with accent.
Actually ba, malayas ko sa balay ba? Sa kanila ko nagpunta, balay-balay ba? Maghihiwa kami ng mga dahon-dahon.
Record dyan, feeling
Tapos, ano, kahit wala kaming pasok, Johanny, sa bahay kami ni Johanny.
Okay, the end?
Tapos, Johanny, good luck.
Yung pinaka-bold na lang.
What is the best thing na I wish nga kay Johanny is, I hope she can find someone which is much better to anyone. I hope nga, makapamana, saka maging senior citizen sa ginabo, the end. What is your message to Johanny after a long years being together? Since we're in Philippines?
Jo, maging masaya ka lang sa Canada, magkaroon ng relasyon. Masaya.
Oh my God.
How about Narian? What is your message to Johanny? Maging senior citizen ka lang sa Canada, kontento na kung...
Ikaw yan ang balik.
Ayun.
Siyempre, have a safe flight. Good luck. At sana mahanap mo si Dawan.
Dawan. There's no Dawan. Ikaw, Jingjing?
Si Dawan niya.
See you in Canada. See you in Canada. Ambisyosa. Ambisyosa.
Hoy, si Johanny masakay sa akon. Hindi mo malanding sa iyo ka. Malanding galing.
What is your message again?
See you in Canada, Gani.
See you. Ambisyosa nga pa yata eh.
Malay mo, after 5 years.
Okay, what is your message, te?
Kay Mirot?
Oo.
Ang message si Mirot. Good luck sa new journey niya sa Canada.
Walang iyak. There's no cry.
I'm not crying.
Huwag ka maiyak. Huwag kita matay. Ingat ko lagi dito.
Okay, you're happy. So,
And good luck doon na we miss you. Tsaka wala naman dito puso ni na sigmuray.
oh, di ba? How about
Ubusin niya yan.
So, what is your message for Johanny?
Message for Johanny.
Yeah.
Enjoy life to the fullest. And we need to see you when I see you there.